Hey guys, this is Solidworks Crew. Today we're gonna have a look at how to use sweep feature. So for our objective today is to create a paper clip by using a sweep feature. Alright, let's begin. So I'm just gonna start with the part. And for today's video, we're gonna have a look at the sweep feature just based on the IPS, which is the inches, okay? So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna make sure just converting this unit of measurement to IPS. Alright, and then I'm gonna start with the top plane, and then I'm gonna go to sketch. I just want you to follow along how I sketch. So I'm just gonna go to the Q or just S. Mine is just set as Q just because actually Q is a little bit more comfortable for me. But your shortcut button box is just like by default is set as S button. And then I already actually did a kind of the way you can just set up a shortcut box. So I'm just gonna put the link in the description so you can have a look at it and then just set it up in this way, okay? So I'm just gonna click line and then start from origin, and then I'm not gonna put the dimension for now. And then if you just click, and then there'll be another line. But if you wanna just like converting to arc, you can come back to the point, and then you'll be able to see actually there is an arc created, okay? So I'm just gonna actually just like stop at the half point, so only gonna create a half circle, and then going all the way down, and then I'm gonna come back one more time, so converting to the arc one more time, but a little bit bigger arc, and also the half circle, okay? Going all the way top, and then extend, come back, and then do the one more time half circle, okay? That's good. And then I'm gonna go until anywhere. This is good. And then I'm gonna put a dimension, so I assign the D as my smart dimension. So if you can also just like assign the keyboard shortcut for the D for the smart dimension, I think that would be great. So I'm gonna click D, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually assign this 2 dimension by 1.25 inch, and then I'm gonna assign here to here, which is 4 inch, which is too big, but it's fine. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just extend a little bit. Alright, and then I'm gonna actually just like click. Alright, so I'm gonna extend a little bit more, and then to here, it should be 5 inch. That's good. And then I'm gonna grab this left line and then right line, 1.5 inch, okay? And then I'm gonna assign this one to this point. It should be the 3 inches. Alright, and then what we can do is we can just assign this to line. Dimension should be 0.25 inch. And then of course this one should be a certain origin point. So what I'm gonna do afterwards is I'm gonna assign this dimension by 2.5 inch, and then it's fully fine, okay? It looks good. And I'm just gonna escape the sketch, and then we have to create a sketch in order to activate the sweep feature. So we have to create a kind of circle at this point, so at the starting point or like the end point, whichever is fine. But in order to create a sketch right at there, is we have to create a plane. So if you go to the sketch, and then there is a instead of actually going to the sketch, I just want you to go to the features, and then there's a reference geometry, okay? I want you to click the down arrow and then click plane, okay? And then there's several things you can just select from, but we can easily select this point, click it, okay? And then we can just expand this tree and then click front plane, okay? So then what that's gonna do is just like from front plane, it's gonna actually just go to the point of actually whatever we selected. So that's gonna be exactly the starting point of the plane. So I'm just gonna click OK, and then I'm gonna click and then sketch. And then I know it's a little bit hard to see, it's fine. You can just like rotate it, or just like pan it, And then I'm just gonna create a circle by clicking C for my shortcut. And then I'm just gonna assign 0.125 inches, okay? And then what I want you to do is click this center point, and then click this point. This is also one way, but I want you to also just click this point, and then select this pass. And then there's a make pierce, okay? That's gonna actually just like pierce to the certain, the kind of pass line. So that's gonna do the still same thing, okay? So I'm just gonna escape. And then we are not gonna need this sketch or just plane anymore, so we can just hide it, okay? And now I want you to go to the feature, sweep, okay? And then I want you to select this, the circular kind of shape of it. And then we already selected profile. And now I want you to click this pass. And then it's gonna automatically selecting the entire sketch for us. So you can just hit OK. And then that's perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. To make it even better, I just want you to go to edit material, and the one of the most commonly used material for paperclip is normally stainless steel. So I just want you to select one of those AISI 1020, apply, close, and then that is, I'm just gonna hide the origin to make it even better. That is exactly what we are looking for. So yeah, that's the end of actually just process of actually creating a paper clip by using sweep feature. So I want you to utilize this sweep feature for other applications. So yeah, just feel free to just comment below if there's any other just feature that you want me to actually just go through. I'll definitely just happy to just like go through with you. Alright, thanks for watching videos, and if this video was helpful, please just give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.